To simulate what's going to happen on the future grid, we need to create a digital twin in order to replicate and simulate future outcomes. And to do this today is very challenging. But we're creating new ways of adding sensors and edge computing to do that. And by doing that, we're going to be able to simulate scenarios that incorporate more distributed energy resources into the grid and take care of a bidirectional grid that is very different than the grid that we have today. Omniverse is the platform that's going to pull this all together. Today, it's a lot of disparate different models and programs and digital twins of independent assets. The Omniverse will allow for us to plug all of those assets into a single pane of glass and show the entire grid and include the metadata and the actual information that's connected to each of those assets, which is critical for simulation.
Correct.
And then the goal is, how do we work with the largest simulation companies in the world to basically create more robust simulators that can actually do a more robust full grid simulation and not just pieces of the grid. Some people look at robots or autonomous cars. I look at electric meters, transformers, reclosers, conductors, and how do we move that AI out to the edge so that instead of having a million fleets of one device, now we have one fleet of a million devices. And as things learn from different situations, we can take those anomalies and those learnings, update the models, push them back out to the edge, and update. And every device gets smarter. This is what we call a software-defined grid.